this video, we want to find the sum from n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n plus 1 times 1 over n plus 3. So let's first look at the series for a natural log of 1 plus x. That's going to be the sum from n equals 1 to infinity, negative 1 to the n plus 1 times x to the n over n. And if I plug in x equals 1, I get ln of 1 plus 1, which is ln of 2. That's going to equal the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of negative 1 raised to the n plus 1 times 1 over n. Notice that in our sum here, we're starting at n plus 3. So that means when n is 1, this thing is 1/4. So I'm going to write out the first three terms. So that'd be 1 minus a half plus a third. And then starting with 4 here, we're going to have the sum from n equals 4 to infinity of negative 1 to the n plus 1 times 1 over n. And here I'm going to substitute k equals n minus 3. So when n is 4, k will be 4 minus 3, which is 1. And so n plus 1, basically I just add 4 to both sides and get n plus 1 equals k plus 4. And then replace n with k plus 3. Okay, at this point I can simplify the 1 minus a half plus a third to get to 5/6. And k plus 4 is the same thing as k, because this negative 1 to the k, or negative 1 to the k plus 4, that alternates between negative and a positive. So every 2 will be the same. So if we add 4, the same thing as subtracting 4. So that's why it's the same thing as negative 1 to the k. And so now I can subtract 5 over 6. But I want to get to n plus 1, so I could just multiply both sides by a negative 1. So the negative 1 to the k becomes negative 1 to the k plus 1. And so on the left we have 5/6 minus natural log 2. And note that here I have k, but that's the same thing as having n here. So the final answer is going to be 5/6 minus natural log 2.